Guys, welcome back to my channel Bake with Khushi. I love lychees and I can eat it in any form. It is summer season and I thought of making the perfect cooler. So today I'm going to be making lychee mojito. Before we get into this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and without any further ado, let's get started. Here I've taken around one bunch of lychee. These are fresh lychees, and one bunch has around 10 to 15 lychees. Now, depending on the number of people you have or how many glasses of lychee mojito you want to make, you can take your lychees accordingly. I'm going to be taking here 13 to 14 lychees. Now, once we've separated them from the stem like this, we are going to start peeling our lychees. Before doing all of this, don't forget to wash your lychees so that it is not too sticky. The lychees here are quite juicy, so as I'm peeling them I can see that a lot of juice is falling out from it, but it's okay. Don't throw away the extra juice, just leave it in the bowl itself. This will be good when we make the mojito out of it. Now that we're done peeling all our lychees, using a knife I'm going to slice the middle of the lychee like this, and I'm going to take the seeds out. I'm going to do this with each and every lychee. Now that I'm done with all of it, I've taken here 2 glasses and I've taken the peeled lychees which we had kept aside earlier, and I'm going to be taking around 4 to 5 lychees in each glass depending on the length of your glass like this, and I'm going to keep them down. Repeat it with the other glass as well. To this I'm adding some black salt. You can add it according to your own taste, and some powdered sugar. Instead of sugar you can add stevia, or you can leave it sugarless. It is totally up to you. Now usually we use a wood crusher, but since I don't have a wood crusher available right now, I'm using this, and we're going to slowly start crushing our lychees. As you crush your lychees, make sure that you don't crush them too much that there's nothing left, and be careful that you don't break the glass either. We're going to repeat this with our other glass as well. Crushing this, we are going to be adding some fresh mint leaves. Now lychees are usually very sweet in nature, so I thought of adding some mint leaves to give it a separate twist. This will make it very tangy. And now after adding the leaves, I'm going to crush the leaves as well with the lychee. After adding the mint leaves, I'm adding here 1 tablespoon of fresh lime or lemon to each of the glasses. All of this will enhance the taste of our mojito. I'm adding some ice cubes. It is completely optional. Depending on how cold you want it to be, you can add ice cubes accordingly. It's time to add our final ingredient. I have taken some club soda here, but if you don't have any club soda, you can always go with some Sprite. Make sure to fill your glasses to the brim. Now all our lychee has sunk down, so using a straw I'm going to mix it well. You can see that both the mint leaves and the lychee is now visible since it has started floating on top. Just look at this, how beautiful it looks. You can see the lychee pieces as well. Now for our final outcome, I have added some fresh lychees on the top and a slice of lemon as well. Lychee mojito is now ready. It is perfect for the summer season. It is a very good cooler and I just love it. Before ending this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and until then, bye.